Cashew Farming Detailed Information Guide. Cashew nut is native of Brazil, was introduced in India during the latter half of the 16th century for the purpose of afforestation and soil conservation. From its humble beginning as a crop intended to check soil erosion, cashew has emerged as a major foreign exchange earner next only to tea and coffee. Cashew nut is one of the important nuts grown in the world and ranked first. Among various nuts such as hazelnuts, almonds, etc., cashew nut enjoys an unenviable position, and it is an unavoidable snack in all important social functions, especially in the Western countries. Farming of cashew and its importance. Commercial cultivation of cashew is taken up in 8 states of our country, mainly in west and eastern coast, viz. Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra, Orissa, Tamil Nadu, and West Bengal. In addition, cashew is also grown in few pockets of Assam, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Meghalaya, Nagaland, and Tripura. India has an area of 9.53 lakh ha, 2010-11, under cashew, with an estimated annual production of about 6.74 lakh tons of raw cashew nut. India is the third largest producer and exporter of cashew in the world, next only to Vietnam and Nigeria. It is the second largest consumer of cashew and also the biggest processor with the highest acreage under the crop. The current cashew production of the country accounts for 23.0% of the global production. A large number of small and marginal farmers, especially living on the coastal belts of India, depend on cashew for their livelihood. Nearly 2.00 lakh workers, more than 90% of whom are women, are directly employed in cashew processing factories, which are concentrated mostly in Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, and Maharashtra. It is estimated that nearly 2 million people are involved, directly and indirectly, in cashew cultivation, processing, and marketing. Suitable soil for cashew plantation. In growing cashews, the general notion is that cashew is very modest in its soil requirements and can adapt itself to varying soil conditions without impairing productivity, while cashew can be grown in poor soils, its performance would be much better on good soils. The best soils for cashew are deep and well-drained sandy loams without a hard pan. Cashew also thrives on pure sandy soils, although mineral deficiencies are more likely to occur. Water stagnation and flooding are not congenial for cashew. Heavy clay soils with poor drainage and soils with pH more than 8.0 are not suitable for cashew cultivation. Excessive alkaline and saline soils also do not support its growth. Red sandy loam, lateritic soils, and coastal sands with slightly acidic pH are best for cashew. Climatic requirements for cashew production. Cashew is a tropical plant and can thrive even at high temperatures. Young plants are sensitive to frost. The distribution of cashew is restricted to altitudes up to 700 m above mean sea level, where the temperature does not fall below 20 degrees Celsius for a prolonged period. Areas where the temperatures range from 20 to 30 degrees Celsius with annual precipitation of 1,000–2,000 millimeters are ideal for cashew growing. However, temperatures above 36 degrees Celsius between the flowering and fruiting period could adversely affect the fruit setting and retention. Heavy rainfall, evenly distributed throughout the year, is not favorable, though the trees may grow and sometimes set fruit. Cashew needs a climate with a well-defined dry season of at least 4 months to produce the best yields. The coincidence of excessive rainfall and high relative humidity with flowering may result in flower/fruit drop and heavy incidence of fungal diseases. Preparation of land for cashew plantation. The land should be plowed thoroughly and leveled in case of agricultural lands. In the case of forest lands, the jungle should be cleared well in advance and the debris burned. After clearing the jungles, the land is to be terraced or bunds constructed on sloppy land. In order to ensure better moisture conservation, soil trenches are dug across the contours. The cost of land preparation will vary depending upon the type and method of soil working. Nowadays, the use of JCB for soil working is most popular, hence a provision for use of soil working is made in the model. The land preparation work should be completed prior to the onset of monsoon season, i.e. during May, June. Plantation procedure of cashew crop. Fresh seeds that sink in water are planted in an upright position in a planting bag containing a loose, sterilized soil mixture. 3 to 4 seeds can be planted directly in the planting hole. The weakest ones are thinned out later and the strongest left to develop further. The seedlings are very susceptible to Phytophthora root rot. The plant bags should be 350 to 400 millimeters deep, as the taproot grows very fast and bends around as soon as it touches the bottom. Planting space of cashews, planting space of 8 m x 5 m is recommended. The trees grow vigorously in the first 3 years, and as soon as the crowns touch each other, alternate trees should be removed until the permanent planting distance of 10 to 12 m is reached. Branches hanging on the ground should be removed because they interfere with harvesting. In other parts of the world, cashew trees bear well, in spite of the little attention devoted to the orchards, digging and filling of pits for growing cashews. The work of digging of pits has to be completed much in advance, May, June. Cashew can be planted in pits of 60 cm x 60 cm x 60 cm size in soils with normal strata. In hard lateritic soils, pits of 1 m x 1 m x 1 m size are recommended. The topsoil and subsoil are kept separately and allowed to wither under the sun. It helps in the migration of termites and ants. Burning of the debris and forest wastes inside the pits before planting is advantageous. The pits are then filled with topsoil mixed with farmyard manure or compost, 5 kilograms, or poultry manure, 2 kilograms, and rock phosphate, 200 grams. In order to mitigate soil-borne diseases, BHC at 100 grams/pit is also added to the soil mixture. Grafting method of cashew plants. 2 grafting techniques, namely side grafting and wedge grafting, are practiced with success. Grafting should commence as soon as possible, seedlings of 3 to 4 months old, and planted out in the orchard to prevent the taproot from bending. Seedlings of cashew seedlings are grown under shade, 45%, and hardened off before planting in the orchard. It is very important not to disturb the root system during planting. Young trees should be supported for the first 2 to 3 years so that wind will not blow the plants over. The mulching requirement for cashew plantation. In cashew cultivation process, the cashew is generally planted on the wastelands and hence the availability of soil moisture is always low, hence, mulching is essential. Mulching with black polythene is beneficial to increase the growth and yield of cashew. However, locally available materials like green or dry grass or weeds can be utilized for mulching the basins. Small pebbles or stones can also be used for mulching of the basin. The plastic or stone mulch does not improve soil health but ensures better moisture retention in the soil and also prevents the attack of soil-borne insects and pests. Irrigation requirement of cashew plants. In cashew production, irrigation is an important factor during the establishment of young trees because it doubles the growth tempo of young trees in a dry season. Due to the deep root system, the trees can survive several months without irrigation. Mature trees should receive 1,800 liters of water per tree every 2 weeks. Thank you for watching. share this video with your friends and don't forget subscribe, Discovery Agriculture channel.